Understanding local area networking, examining local area networks, devices, and data transfer. Defining the LAN, identifying types of LANs. Getting to know perimeter networks, identifying network topologies and standards, identifying network topologies. Defining Ethernet standards, identifying the differences between client, server, and peer-to-peer. Skill summary, knowledge assessment, multiple choice, fill in the blank. Business case scenarios, scenario 1-1, planning and documenting a basic LAN. Scenario 1-2, selecting the correct networking model. Scenario 1-3, selecting network adapters for your LAN computers. Scenario 1-4, configuring the correct subnet mask solution to business case scenarios. Lesson 2, defining networks for the OSI model. Understanding OSI basics, defining the OSI model layers, defining the communications subnetwork, define the physical layer, define the data link layer, understanding layer 2 switching, understanding layer 3 switching, understanding characteristics of switches, defining the upper OSI layers, defining the transport layer, defining the session layer, defining the presentation layer, defining the application layer, reviewing the OSI layers, defining the TCP/IP model. The contents, skill summary, knowledge assessment, multiple choice, fill in the blank, business case scenario, scenario 2-1, installing the appropriate switch, scenario 2-2, defining the IP address and ports used by destination service, scenario 2-3, ensuring a newly created email account logon is encrypted, scenario 2-4, creating a permanent IRP table entry, lesson 3, understanding wired and wireless networks, recognizing wired networks and media types, identifying and working with twisted pair cables, identifying and working with fiber optic cable, understanding wireless networks, identifying wireless devices, identifying wireless networking standards, skill summary, knowledge assessment, multiple choice, fill in the blank, business case scenarios, scenario 3-1, selecting channels for wireless local area network, scenario 3-2, running cable drops properly, scenario 3-3, selecting network adapters for your wireless LAN computer, scenario 3-4, securing a wireless LAN. Lesson 4, understanding Internet Protocol, working with IPv4, categorizing IPv4 addresses, default gateways, and DNS servers, defining advanced IPv4 concepts, working with IPv6, understanding IPv6, configuring IPv6, skill summary, knowledge assessment, multiple choice, fill in the blank, business case scenarios, scenario 4-1, defining a private class CIP network, scenario 4-2, specifying the correct device, scenario 4-3, implementing the correct class network, scenario 4-4, implementing the correct subnet mask, lesson 5, implementing TCP/IP in the command line, using basic TCP/IP commands, working with the command prompt window, using ipconfig and ping, working with advanced TCP/IP commands, using netstat and nbtstat, using trace search and path ping, using analyst lookup, using FTP and telnet, using Windows PowerShell, using NET, skill summary, knowledge assessment, multiple choice, fill in the blank, business case scenarios, scenario 5-1, connecting to an FTP server, scenario 5-2, troubleshooting TCP/IP results, scenario 5.3, documenting a basic wide area network, scenario 5-4, using advanced ping, lesson 6, working with networking services, setting up common networking services, working with the dynamic host configuration, protocol DHCP, introducing remote administration, enable remote desktop, access remote desktop, defining more networking services, defining RRRAS, defining IPsec, defining name resolution techniques, defining DNS, defining WINS, skill summary, knowledge assessment, multiple choice, fill in the blank. Contents, business case scenarios, scenario 6-1, selecting the appropriate services, scenario 6-2, selecting the appropriate services, scenario 6-3, setting up a DHCP server, scenario 6-4, setting up a new DHCP and migrating old computers, scenario 6-5, managing remote connections, understanding wide area networks, understanding routing, identifying static and dynamic routing, understanding quality of service, QoS, defining common WAN technologies connections, defining packet switching, defining T carriers, defining other WAN technologies and internet, connectivity, skill summary, knowledge assessment, multiple choice, fill in the blank, based business case scenarios, scenario 7-1, selecting the appropriate service and protocol, Scenario 7-2, selecting the appropriate WAN technology. Scenario 7-3, recommending the right service. Scenario 7-4, setting up routes to other networks. Lesson 8, defining network infrastructures and network security. Understanding networks outside the LAN, defining the internet, defining intranets and extranets, configuring VPN connections and authentication, selecting types of VPN protocols, selecting authentication for VPN connections, creating a VPN connection using the Create a VPN connection wizard, creating a VPN connection using Windows 10 settings, using Connection Manager CM and the Connection Manager Administration Kit CMAK, understanding security devices and zones, defining firewalls and other perimeter security devices, redefining the DMZ, putting it all together, skill summary, knowledge assessment, multiple choice, fill in the blank, business case scenarios. Scenario 8-1, setting up a DMZ. Scenario 8-2, selecting the appropriate solution. Scenario 8-3, getting up a WPTP server. Scenario 8-4, creating a WAN with VPN. Appendix, answer key. Lesson 1, understanding local area networking. Answers to knowledge assessment. Answers to business case scenarios. Lesson 2, defining networks with Audi model. Answers to knowledge assessment. Answers to business case scenarios. Lesson 3, understanding wired and wireless networks. Answers to knowledge assessment. Answers to business case scenarios. Lesson 4, understanding internet protocol. Answers to knowledge assessment. Answers to business case scenarios. Lesson 5, implementing TCP/IP in the command line. Answers to knowledge assessment. Answers to business case scenarios. Lesson 6, working with networking services. Answers to knowledge assessment. Answers to business case scenarios. Lesson 7, understanding wide area networks. Answers to knowledge assessment. Answers to business case scenarios. Lesson 8, defining network infrastructure and network security. Answers to knowledge assessment. Answers to business case scenarios. Index. Introduction. What does this book cover? Chapter 1, understanding local area networking. That's the next.